All right, let's cut the fluff. In the past 2 years, I've gone from making $0 to AI pulling in millions, right? No fancy degree, no deep AI training, no rich dad funding my way, just 2 core skills that I mastered. And now I'm going to share them with you. But let's be real here. AI isn't just coming, it's already here. We all know this, right? It's eating up jobs, it's shaking up industries, and it's leaving a gap wide open for those who know how to capitalize on it. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. 2 skills, 3 opportunities, and let's get straight into it. So here's the deal, right? AI is about to wreck a lot of people's careers. We're talking 20 to 25% of jobs just poof, gone. I think that's going to be the case. And if you're not actively learning how to use AI, it's using you. And now I'm not doing this and I'm not saying these things to scare you. I say this because when I saw this happening, I had 2 options and I had 2 choices. One would be to sit back and hold my skills stay relevant. I run a coding bootcamp and I run a software agency and I used to be a coder, right? That's option 1, right? Option 2 is to get ahead of the wave and ride it. And I picked the second. That's why I'm making some extra profits right now because it's still so early in the game right now. And that's why you're here, because you want to win too. Let's break it down. What skills do you actually need to come out on top? So the first one would be to build AI systems. So here's the first one. You're going to know how to build AI-powered solutions. Now, before you freak out and think, oh, but I'm not a coder, relax, okay? Yes, back in the days, you're going to need to learn a lot of coding to do the things that you're doing right now with no code. But today, with the advancements of workflow automation tools and thanks to all the programmers building software, SaaS platforms out there, we can now build a lot of things that doesn't require code. Yes, I am someone who has the ability to code. I have a team of coders with me as well. But I always feel that anything that doesn't require coding to get done, I do not want my team to use code to get it done because it's so hard to maintain and you have key man risk where the person who built it, you always need him to maintain it. So I always prefer to have some form of a no-code tool where everybody can manage it. So yes, you don't need to be a coder to do this now. The real skill here isn't coding. It's knowing how to use the AI tools to create solutions that businesses desperately need, right? Low-code, no-code automation tools and a bit of prompt engineering. That's what gets you 90% of the way there. Why this skill wins is because right now, businesses are tinkering with AI, but soon AI first will be the only way to stay competitive. The ones who help them make that transition are the ones who will be able to profit from this transition, right? My experience here is when I first started, I had no idea what I was doing, but I saw an opportunity, which is businesses that were drowning in manual processes that AI could fix. So I learned how to sell automated tasks, setting up chatbots, streamlining workflows, and I started selling those solutions. The money followed fast, and it can do the same for you too, right? Because here's the secret. Businesses don't care if you're an AI expert. They care if you can solve their problems. Now, this is the one that a lot of people ignore, and this is the one that I am also fairly new to it, but it's been giving me a lot of results. But if you don't do this, you're going to be invisible. Why this skill wins is because you can be the best AI systems builder in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, you're broke basically, right? Content equals to attention, which equals to money and profits. AI is a hot topic right now, so ride the wave. Don't fight against the wave. Write it, right? If you're building AI solutions and documenting the process, you instantly become an authority. And when the businesses start looking for AI help, who do you think they'll trust? Some random guy or the one that they've been watching for the past few months or years, the one that they've been learning from and the one that they've been engaging with, right? So in my experience, I started sharing AI content, simple breakdowns of what I was learning, quick tutorials and my wins and losses. And suddenly, I got people in my DMs, got more opportunities coming in, got speaking gigs, consulting deals, partnerships, and just by putting myself out there with my friends who are not so informed about the rise of AI tools. And when I'm able to add value, they appreciate it, right? So you don't have to be perfect. You just need to be good enough to add some value and you need to be visible, right? All right, now you have got the skills that I mentioned above. How do you make money with them? The first opportunity is going to be an AI automation agency. This is hands down one of the easiest ways to start. Businesses are begging for automation and they don't even know where to begin. You step in, offer AI powered solutions, charge premium prices, and build a recurring revenue machine. I started doing this with Northstack, my AI and automation agency, and it took off. The demand is insane. And trust me, it's only growing, right? The second opportunity is an AI first business. Forget trying to compete with traditional businesses. Build an AI first version of them instead. Uber changed taxis, right? Airbnb changed hotels. AI will change everything. So pick an industry, figure out how AI makes it better and go all in. For me, I'm putting all my bets in my new startup that I'm launching. It's a HR tech startup called Jobbier. You can visit it in tryjobbier.com, tryjobbier.com. And the next thing would be AI consulting and partnerships. So if you're not ready to start your own business, that's cool, right? Partner with someone who is, find existing businesses, offer to help them integrate AI and take a cut of profits or equity, right? It's simple, it's low risk, it's high reward. So listen, the next decade is going to be creating a lot more millionaires than ever before. In fact, it already is creating millionaires through AI startups that it's moving so fast, but only for the ones who move now, right? I gave you the roadmap. So learn how to build AI systems, start creating some content, pick one of the 3 opportunities and just relentlessly execute. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start today, right? AI is a great equalizer. It closes the gap between people, between skills, between age and experiences. And if you act fast, you will be on the right side of the history, right? So do something with this right now. I'll see you soon.